grateful. It's amazing that we're even out here, being able to be out here for a month. You know, there's supposed to be 4 of us. Haven't really touched on this. Ant Bomb from Utah, from our old videos. The nuclear ant bomb was supposed to meet us out here and stay out here for the month with us, but you know, some stuff fell through. His funds fell through, life happens, shit happens. But we're just gonna keep on pushing through. So we're out here just stoking for the ant bomb, stoking for Josh the Gentle Johnson, stoking for the downslope mobile and all the boys. We just stoking. This is our room, 514, 515.
What's going on, YouTube? It's the boys out here, Purg. I want to say it's day 7. I think it marks a week that we've been here. We didn't snowboard the first day. Obviously had some other things going on, but we out here. Everybody's feeling pretty good, you know. The routine's been kept up.
Day 3 on hill for me, I think. How many days have we even been on hill? I don't know.
I think I've been 5.
I mean, I guess we'd count. Do we count that other hill as a day on hill? We're at the same day, so we've been on hill a few times. We've been
like
to be
almost every day except for maybe one.
I've missed a
for
few
me
because
and
I'm a
Swanee,
weenie, but that's okay. No
and then
complications.
Yeah, a lot going on, but we're here today. Everybody's feeling good, and we love it.
Yeah. Swanee, got anything to say?
We're just vibing. We're out here, living it.
We're vibing and we're out here. You heard it.
Promise that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing about me. I said when the lights shut off and it's my turn to settle down, I ain't concerned. Promise that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing about me.
You wrote a song about my sister on your tape and called it Section 80. The message resembled Brenda's got a baby. What's crazy was I was hearing about it, but doubted your ignorance. How could you ever just put her on blast and shit? Judging her past and shit. Well, it's completely my future. Her nigga behind me right now asking for ass and shit. And I'ma need that $40 even if I gotta fuck, suck, and swallow. And the parking lot, cause I was park on followed by a married man and father of 3.
What's up, guys? We're at the Pitchfork Terrain Park and our Paradise Park, I guess. I don't know. Whatever it is, Pitchfork. And the wind's pretty rough. You guys just saw I tried to go cork, backside cork right there, and the wind just, I mean, you saw it. So we're gonna try to get a few more clips and just enjoy the day, really, but it's windy. I don't know about going spinning and going upside down on the big jumps with this much wind. But we'll try to get steezy for you. Ew.
Titties bounce on the cadence of his tingling keys. Matter of fact, he my favorite cause he tipped me with ease. He got a cousin named David and I seen him last week. This is the life of another girl damaged by the system. These foster homes, I run away and never do miss them. See my hormones just run away, and if I could get them back to where they used to be, then I'd probably be in the den of a family gene that show women how to be woman. Or better yet, a leader. You needed to learn something, then you probably need to beat her. That's how I was taught. 3 niggas in one room. First time I was tossed, and I'm exhausted. But fuck that, sorry for your lost shit. My sister died in vain, but what point are you trying to gain? If you can fit the pumps, I'll walk in. I'll wait. Your rebuttal a little too late, and if you have an album date, just make sure I'm not in the zone. Cause I don't need the attention, bring enough of that on my own. As a matter of fact, did I mention that I physically feel great? A doctor's approval, it's a waste of time, I know I'm straight. I probably live longer than you and never fade away. I'll never fade away, I'll never fade away. I know I fade, and I'm on the grind for this cake. I'ma get it or die trying. I'm buying every male gender with intentions of buying. Lying to these motherfuckers talking about you.